Hey y'all, it's day 3 after Typhoon Odette, and day 2 of waking up in this lovely little beast right here. Sleep is not what I would describe it as. Intermittent naps. I've decided that is all I can do right now is pack most of the stuff we want to save in our one remaining corner there. We're going to try to pack it into the corner, cover it up, and hopefully it doesn't all sprout legs and walk away. How do you like your remodeled kitchen, babe? So what do you think about asking the neighbor if they know anybody that can help us like piece this together into sort of a shack?
Everybody's busy to build their own house.
That's a good point. I don't know how much of this I can get through by myself today. And then I think we're going to get a mattress for that tent there. An extra battery that fits Pajero. So we can switch batteries and have one battery in there at night with our 2 fans. And be reasonably comfortable. I mean, not that Pajero isn't comfortable or anything. I didn't mean that. What is it? Huh?
The wood.
Oh, yeah. Remove the wood. Okay. Yeah, everybody else is busy fixing their own houses, so we're kind of on our own here right now. I think in the spirit of Filipino mentality where you just build again. They don't shed a tear, they just build again. So we're going to try that. We're going to try and build this into something usable. Maybe it's probably just going to be a little one-room thing with a bathroom, but with a toilet, but hey. By those 2, and then hard right over here. And then we do a hard left over this tree root here, like that. Now a hard left, and then immediately we crank to the right over these coconuts. And we get a couple more scratches in our paint by this tree here that we can't avoid. And then another hard left, really hard left, crank left, and then a really hard right over that coconut tree stump, like that. Boom. Hard left again. Well, looks like your kitchen's coming along nicely, huh?
Nice and hot.
Nice and hot? Mm-hmm. That's a wrap. Well, the lovely missus has earned her keep today, not just for cooking, but she also found my motorcycle key.
Is it really?
She might even get ice cream for that. It is.
Really?
Yeah. Day 1.5. This will be the new house for now. And anything of value that we still have that's worth anything is going to go in there. Pretty nice, huh?
Careful.
Well, I don't think your building construction can be any greener or more off-grid than this, do you? Shingles. Mr. Trouble?
Mr. Trouble.
What do you got? Ooh. What do you got? That first step, you got to watch it. It's a bit of a doozy. You want to play badminton? But I got to get out of that sun. Wow. I think I'm red like crazy, no?
Now that there's no more shades from the...
Yeah, exactly. This is our shade right here. All of our shade's on the ground now. That's what we loved about this place. We had so much shade. It was beautiful. So how many trees do we have left? 7?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this ours? No.
I can't. No, I don't think so. 6?
7.
7, yeah. Good. I mean, we used to have what? 20? 30? So that shack there they built, I think, in about an afternoon probably, because that was here when we showed up the day after the storm. So That probably took them half a day at least. And they've already got the frame set up for the new house. So, what's up to you? What do you got going on here, babe? Huh? What do you got going on here? Nice. You got a pathway. Cool. So, that was our temporary kitchen over there, huh? Yeah, we're gonna grab those suitcases and those plastic boxes over there. And then, here we are. Looks pretty professional, doesn't it? There's about 10 layers of coconut leaves up there, or palms I guess they're called. Found a purpose for that roof rack. Giving structural support to that front right corner. And then we're going to grab the old front door and just cover it up as best we can. So probably be back in a couple days to keep rebuilding with whatever material we can find, and very little material we can afford to buy. But it is what it is. Take a look at this. No joke, huh? Look at that. By golly. You know what? The tent actually probably saved our mattress, it looks like. Look at this. Look at that. Huh? Okay, it's a little wet, but a win. Oh boy. How's my face, red?
Is my face red?
No. Same chocolate color. Oh.
Ah, baby.
Oh, sorry. So all the single guys out there, you got to get yourself a woman like this. She rolls up her sleeves. Well, she doesn't have any sleeves, but if she had sleeves, she would have rolled them up already. So this is what we got cooking so far. So kind of the things that we want to really save are going in our new house. Kind of looks like a French countryside home there. The roof, the ceiling there. And then the motorcycle will go, here's the motorcycle, I haven't unearthed it yet, but that's going to go there in the corner, and the fridge will go in the corner, and the rest I think we'll just deal with next time. So, here's a how-to video for Typhoon recovery, level 5. You want a bike? You're welcome. Thanks. Thank you for taking care of baby. Huh? Okay, so what's next? We still have to move that white thing. Can I have a bite of? Oh yeah, and then you want a buco. Okay. Can I just stay here?
No, it's too hot there. It's like sauna. Come here. Baby, your stuff.
What stuff now? Thank you. Salamat. Found some shade. Oh, wow. Come here.
It's a soap.
You want? So this is my view right now. And I think that that's probably going to be watertight. I mean, unless there's another big storm or something, but at least for the next week or so, that should be watertight. Hopefully I'll be able to come up with some funds to somehow build something here. I don't know what, but anyone's welcome to help on that. I think some of this dirt maybe acted as sunscreen, hopefully. Jaja says I'm pretty red. Now I just have to get the second battery in the Pajero because I think I'm going to wire up a second battery system so I can swap out between the two and have one at night for fans in the tent or shack or whatever the situation is as it unfolds. And then I can just swap it back in the Pajero for recharging. And then we're going to take the cooler because we have no power in Panglao for probably another week, and we'll use the cooler as our refrigerator. Welcome to the world of typhoons. I better get going. Here we are, day 3. Lots of people wandering around, and a lot of these are displaced kids and families and so forth. After a brutal weekend, we are headed back to Panglao, and I think we're going to wash up and go get a cold one if we can find any. I don't know if anywhere's open yet, and we also would like to find some diesel because we're getting kind of shy. Was it yesterday we saw large groups of people wandering around?
Yesterday.
Or the day before?
The day before night.
Yeah.
Not night. Yesterday night. The day before yesterday night.
Yeah. Lots of people just making do with any shelter they can find. These guys are getting their survival rations from the mayor, barangay. So after 3 days of what you previously saw, we decided to have some